Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. E to the power of 2x we can put into e to the power of 2 with the power of s. Because we have same power s and s, we can put like this. Now we have the formula. The integration of a to the power of s ds, you got about a to the power of s over ln a, and we put about c. So capital A dash E about this one. So we will have about 5 over 2 square to the power of s over ln of 5 over e to the power of 2. And we put about c in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.